A very important update for GST taxpayers. From July 2025, GSTR 3B will be non-editable, and all about the requirement of filing Form GSTR 1A. Starting July 2025, you will not be able to edit the sale details in GSTR 3B. These details are auto-populated from GSTR 1, filed on 11th of the corresponding month. Currently, the sale details auto-populated in GSTR 3B can be edited at the time of filing to cater to any errors or bills missed to be reported in GSTR 1. But from July onwards, the auto-populated GSTR 3B cannot be edited at the time of filing, meaning if any invoice has been missed to be reported in GSTR 1 or incorrect filing has been made, you will not be able to report it in GSTR 3B and pay tax on it in the same month. This change was brought by the government to minimize human errors and mismatches in GSTR 1 and 3B returns. Now, the question arises as to what the taxpayers should do if some sale details were incorrectly reported in GSTR 1 or some bills were missed to be reported. You will need to file Form GSTR 1A. Now, what is Form GSTR 1A? It is an amendment return to GSTR 1. In an instance where any invoice has been missed to be reported or reported with incorrect details in GSTR 1, such invoice can be reported or rectified in GSTR 1A before filing GSTR 3B for the same period. Once GSTR 1A is filed, sale details in Table 3 of GSTR 3B will be updated with such changes, thereby enabling the taxpayer to pay correct GST on sales for the month. GSTR 1A will be available for filing after the due date of GSTR 1 filing, that is 11th of the month. It can be filed anytime before the due date of GSTR 3B of the same month, that is by 20th of the month. What are the actions that needs to be taken by businesses? First, taxpayers should ensure that GSTR 1 is filed correctly and timely. Second, GSTR 1 should be reconciled with books before filing GSTR 3B to identify if any invoice was missed to be reported or errors in filing. It should be ensured that such invoices are reported and errors are rectified in GSTR 1A before the due date of filing GSTR 3B. Hope you found this update useful. Follow us and keep yourself updated with all such tax changes.